tell me, what's a farm like?
It has very, very, very long grass. Animals like cows, pigs, those kind of animals. The animals are playing together and hugging each other. Factory, farm, places. This farm looks very sad. I don't think that animals want to be staying in there. Lots of hens in the little section. Some cows with fences. I can see little piglets and they're by themselves without their mums, and I think they're a bit sad. They're not letting them have any space to milk the babies or get milked. They look all squeezed up. They look sad. They don't have food. They need some fresh air, like real farms. This farm is not nice. It's a bad farm. Those bad pens. We didn't have hay bales and trees in the first place there. This looks like a happy farm. Animals can be happy. They want to be outside. You don't treat animals like that. It's bad. It's really good to set them free. If we're kind to the animals, they will be kind back to us.